In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower out of spoons. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you how to make a sunflower out of spoons. That's right. Today's project, we're going to be making a sunflower utilizing spoons. So the things that you need for this project is spoons. So you can go ahead and purchase plastic spoons in the color choice that you would like to make your flower. But what fun is that? We're crafters. So I have selected the clear spoons, and I'm using acrylic paint to paint my spoon. Now the color choice that I'm using is Sunlight Yellow. So with that, you're going to need a brush, something to put your paint on. I just cut out a piece of cardstock and just color in a circle, and we're going to put our paint on that. You'll need some Chenille sticks. This is going to be for the center of our sunflower. You will need a hot glue tool. This gets very hot. It's my favorite, but you'll need some type of hot glue tool to be able to glue your spoons onto your canvas. Now, I have this small canvas that I'll be using to put my spoons on, but you can use cardstock, you can use a piece of cardboard that you paint, you can use poster board, whatever you would like your backing of your flower to be. That choice is up to you. You will need some scissors because you're going to cut off the stems of the spoon, or some type of snips that you can use. These are actually watercolors, but they work perfect for cutting off the stems of the spoons. And then last but not least, masking tape. Okay, I'm not taping anything. This masking tape actually is only for one purpose, and this is the size of my flower. So you can utilize anything that's circular that you would like to use for the size of your sunflower. Let's get started, everybody. It's craft time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Let me roll up my sleeves a little bit first. So I'm going to go ahead and get my acrylic paint, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my cardstock. Okay, and my brush. Just going to take the spoon and go ahead and paint the spoon. One thing that I like about the clear spoons is that you really only have to paint one side, because whether you're going to place your petals down or flip your petals up, because it's clear, you actually can see the color through it. But I still go ahead and I still paint both sides. But like I said, you still can see the color through, but I go ahead and paint both sides. So covering your entire spoon. I'm going to put a little bit more on. And when you're applying this acrylic paint, you can go in one direction, or if you want some type of texture, you can add texture to your spoon. However you would like to do it, you can. Just whichever direction that you decide to go in, just be consistent with all of your spoons. One thing about doing this with the spoon is this handle is perfect to hold it and be able to turn as you paint. All right. So here's our first spoon. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to paint all your spoons and then let them dry. Once they dry, we're going to take this one, which is already pre-done. This is where you're going to go ahead and cut your spoon handle off. So like I said, you can use a pair of scissors, or these wire cutters for me is perfect. So I'm holding the spoon part between two fingers and the handle with my fingers and thumb. And I just go ahead and cut it. And just like that, the handle is cut. All right. So continue to paint your spoons, and I'll meet you when you have about 30 or 40 spoons. All right. Now I'm ready to apply my spoons to my canvas. Grabbing my glue tool, I'm putting some hot glue down, and I'm doing my spoons face up. And I just put my spoons right onto the glue. Okay. Dab of hot glue and a spoon. All right. Now, you're going to continue all the way around the outline of your circle, and I'll meet you when we get to the end. All right. We have now placed the last spoon on, and now we have our first layer of our petals. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? So now we're going to make another row. Putting your glue down onto your canvas, let's make another row of petals. All right. Now we're going to go in for another layer of petals. Okay, this is what we have so far. This is our sunflower, nice and open, but we're going to go ahead and put our chenille stems in the middle to give it that sunflower effect. So we're going to take some chenille stems. What I'm going to do is just twist two together. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Now I'm going to add two more to this. Just twisting it all around. And you're going to make it the size that is perfect for your sunflower. Okay, so I'm going to add some more. Okay, I'm going to grab two more this time. And just wrapping the chenille stem all the way around. Okay, let's see. I think I want to add, let's see, probably two more. Okay. I'm going to keep doing it till you get the size that you want. Okay. And with these chenille sticks, because you can kind of mold them to where you want it, once you wrap it around, it will stay. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get our glue tool, put some hot glue in the middle, and stick our center down. Now at this point of the project, I often look to see if I need to fill in any gaps. Do I see any places if I have some extra spoons that I can stick some extra spoons in? And I do see a few places that I can do that. So I'm going to add some glue. And stick in a few more petals. And this is a cool project that can go on your wall as a wall decorative piece, or it can go on your table. You definitely can find different uses for this. Here is our final project, a sunflower made out of spoons. I'll see you in the next one. And subscribe for more.